For these homemade oatmeal cookies, we're going to be using brown sugar, regular granulated sugar, butter or margarine, vanilla, baking soda, baking powder, salt, all-purpose flour will work, oats. I'm using the quick 1-minute oats. You can use the old-fashioned oats if you like, and then eggs. Okay, to start off this homemade oatmeal cookie recipe, we're gonna take 1 cup of butter. I did swap it out for butter. I had margarine in the picture, but I am using butter, it works better. We are also taking 1 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Put both those in a mixing bowl. Also measure out 3/4 cup of regular sugar. And now we're gonna take the mixture and we're gonna cream these 3 ingredients together very well. That should be good for now. We're gonna set this to the side. We'll be using it shortly. The part that I enjoy doing, we're gonna crack 2 eggs into a small dish, 1 at a time, to make sure we don't have no problems with these eggs. Have y'all been having problems with any eggs at all here lately? We've been getting a few bad ones. I think they're pushing chickens too hard. Poor chickens. 1, 2. Getting hard to crack them one-handed also. I'm losing my touch. And now we're gonna measure out 2 teaspoons of vanilla and add it in also. And right back to the mixer again. Give it a quick mix. Now we have 2 1/3 cups of flour measured out here. We're gonna add it into the mixing bowl. As well as 1 teaspoon of salt. Get that to turn loose. Here comes a complicated part. You gotta pay attention real close here. 2 teaspoons of baking soda. And this little one right here is 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't get those mixed up. We have all those dry ingredients in there. We're gonna hand stir it as little as possible, just enough to get everything combined well. You don't want to over stir it. We've just about got it stirred up enough. Just a few, little bit more. Now we're gonna add 2 cups of oats. I'm using quick oats. You can use the old-fashioned oats if you want. And again, just stir it just enough to get those incorporated into the mixture. Now that the dough has had time to chill, I'm gonna take a tablespoonful size balls and place on parchment paper. I'm gonna only do 2 cookies. I've never tried this recipe out, so I'm gonna do 2 test cookies just to make sure everything's good before I use a bunch of the dough. We're going to put those on for 8 minutes at 350 degrees. Those 2 looks like they turned out very good, so we're going to let them cool for a couple minutes and then transfer them over to the wire rack to completely cool and get the rest of them made.